Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, we will finish 3 blocks. In first block, we are discussing 7-digit numbers. Second block, we are discussing adding and subtractions. Then third block, we are discussing multiplication. So we reach the fourth block. What is the fourth block? Dividing 4-digit by 2-digit numbers. So in this block, we are discussing how to divide 4-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Then, are you ready to do one activity? Okay, all I want to take 100 sticks. A piece of stick, this like. Show to you. This like sticks you want to take. Okay, ready? All I take your sticks. How many sticks we want to take? Yes, 100. 100 sticks we want to take. Then, after taking this 100 sticks, you want to make a bundles. Not a bundle, you want to make some bundles. You want to make some bundles. Then, in each bundle, we needed 10 sticks. How many sticks? 10 sticks. Then make them bundles. Total 100 sticks. We want to make some bundles. In each bundle, needed 10 sticks. Okay. Oh, finish? Then, how many bundles you got? How many bundles? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many bundles are? Yes, 10 bundles. How many bundles? 10 bundles. Then, this shows that total 100 sticks are there. We want to make some bundles. In each bundle have 10. So, what is operation here? Yes, dividing. We want to divide 10 groups. Okay. So, division is the division. The next. Now, you are making in each bundle have 10. The next, you make in each bundle have 20 sticks. How many sticks? 20 sticks. First we are 100 bundles we want to make. Each bundle have 10. The next we want to make in total 100 in each bundle. We want to make some bundles. Each bundle have 20 sticks. So how many bundles you got? Check it. How many bundles? This is one bundle. Second. 3. Third. Fourth. And fifth. How many bundles? 5 bundles. So 100 divided by 20 is 500 divided by 10 is good 10. So today we are discussing how to divide the multiples of 10. What is our topic? How to divide multiples of divided by multiples of 10. Divided by multiples of 10. Divided by today's our topic is divide by multiples of 10. Here you look, divided by 10, 20. They are like numbers. Okay. We'll do another problem. So here I used 3-digit numbers. Suppose in 4-digit number, how to divide it by multiples of 10? (6,400) divided by 10. 6,400 divided by 10. How to divide it? 6,400 divided by 10. You know long division. We will take a long division method. 6,400 divided by 10. First number we are writing as a dividend. Second number as a divisor. First number dividend and second number divisor. Then here 2-digit numbers we are using for as a divisor. Here divisor in 2-digit number. So we are taking first 2-digit number in the dividend. Here first 2-digit 64. In 64 how many tens are there? 1 10 10, 2 10 20, 3 10 30, 4 10 40, 5 10 50, 6 10 60 and 7 10 70. Here not 70. So how many tens are there? Yes, 6 tens are there. Okay, in 64 how many tens? 6 tens. 6 into 10. 6 into 10? 60. Very good. Then after that what we do? Yes, subtracting this two. 64 minus 60. Good. 4. The next digit 0. You are putting 0 here. In 40, how many tens are there? 10, 20, 30, 40. How many? 4. So we are writing 4 here. 4 into 10, 40. 40 minus 40, 0. Then here 1 0 is remaining. In 0 how many tens are there? Only 0. So we are putting 0. So 6,400 divided by 10, you get 640. Okay, 6,400 divided by 10 is 640. Or this is long division method. Another method is there. Okay, we are writing 6,400 divided by 10. Okay, 6,400 divided by 10. First number numerator and second number say denominator. In fraction form we are writing. In fraction form. First number numerator and second number denominator. Here look, after the number zeros are there. Here down also 0. Then you just equal number of zeros you cutting. Here only 1 0 in down and numerator also 2 0. So minimum number of 0 is 1 in both numerator and denominator. So that 1 0 we will cut it. Okay, 6,400 divided by 10. In that case, after the digits, zeros are there. Then we will check in numerator and denominator minimum number of zeros. Numerator 2 zeros and denominator 1 0. So minimum number is 1. So we will cut 1 0 from numerator and 1 0 from the denominator. What is the answer? 640 divided by 1. 640 divided by, here 1 only here. 640 divided by 1 means 640. Okay. So we will do two methods. One is, this is simple method and this is long division method. Which you convenient, that you follow it. Then we do another problem. Here we are using 10. Sometimes it's divided by 20. 6,400 divided by 20. What is the answer? We will check it. Question is 6,400 divided by 20. First we are doing, yes, long division method. 6400 divided by 20. Here 2 digit divided by 2 digit number, here 4 digit number. Okay, first we are taking 2 digit number 64. In 64, how many 20s are there? Check it. 120 20, 220 40, 320 60 and 420 80. 120 20, 220 40, 320 60 and 420 80. Here not 80. So how many 20s are there? Good. 3. 3 into 20. 3 into 2 6. Then put 0. 60. 64 minus 60. What? Yes, 4. Then second number, second digit, 0. This digit we want to put here. In 40, how many 20s are there? 120, 20, 220? Yes, 40. So we are, I think here 2. 2 into 20, 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. Then 1 0 is remaining. So we are putting here. Then 640 divided by 20 is 320. We will do simple method. 6,400 divided by 20 is 320. 6,400 divided by 20 is 320. Then we will do simple method. 6,400 divided by 20. Then in numerator, how many zeros? 2 zeros. Denominator, 1 0. So how many zeros we want to cut? Yes, only one. Don't cut the 0. From the right side, first 0 we want to cut. Cut it. Then we'll get 640 divided by 2. 640 divided by 2. Then we know how to divide it by one digit numbers. 640 divided by 2 is, in 6 how many 2's are there? Good, 3. 3 into 2, 6. Then 0. Next digit 4. In 4 how many 2's are there? 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 0. Next digit is 0. So we are putting 0. So 320. Okay. Now you understand how to divide 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Divided by multiples of 10. So we will do one problem from your textbook. In textbook, second question. Divide mentally. Divide mentally. 4,000 divided by 20. 4,000 divided by 20. 4,000 divided by 20. How to get this answer? Not doing long division and then how you get this answer? Yeah, the 0 and the 0 finish. We will cut it. Then in 4, how many 2's are there? Yes, 2. Then how many 0 we want to put here? 3 or 2? Yes, 2 zeros. These 2 zeros are cut. Right side first 2 zeros. In numerator and denominator 2. Each one zeros are cut. The remaining 2 zeros only. Okay, the next question. 16,000 divided by 20. 16. Next question. 1,600 divided by 20. 1,600 divided by 20. What is the answer? What is the answer? Do mentally. Okay, this 2 zeros cut it. Then 160 by 2. In 16, how many 2s are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. How many 2s? Yes, 8 2s. Then how many zeros we want to put here? 1 0 only. Okay. Then we are divided by only 2-digit numbers. This is like 3-digit divided by 3-digit numbers. That means multiples of 100. How you do? Okay, we will do one problem. $4,000 divided by 2,000. Sorry, 4,000 divided by 200. 4,000 divided by 200. How to do? How many zeros are here? 3 zeros. Here 2 zeros. Then how many zeros we want to cut it? Good, 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros and 2 zeros. Then 40 divided by 2. 40 divided by 2 is? What is the value of 40 divided by 2? Good, 20. So 4,000 divided by 200 is 20. Then we will discuss some problems from your workbook. First question, cancel out the zeros and divide it. Cancel out the zeros and divide it. First, this like we are cancel the zeros, then write the answer. Divide and write the answer. First question, 4,510 divided by 10. Cut the zeros and write the answer. Then second question, 6,300 divided by 10. Then second question, find the quotient. Quotient means what is the answer? That is quotient. Okay, here quotient is 320. 6,400 divided by 20. Here this is dividend. 6,400 is dividend and 20 is divisor. 320 is quotient and 0 as a reminder. Okay. Reminder, quotient, dividend and divisor. Got it? So find the quotient means find the answer. 4,800 divided by 40. Okay. Long division method or easy method. Divide the zeros, cancel the zeros and write the answer. Any method you can follow. Okay. 4,800 divided by 40. B. 6,300 divided by 90. C. 7,200 divided by 80 and C. 7,200 divided by 80 and D is 4,970 divided by 70. Okay. The last question, fill in the blanks. Here 3,000 divided by 100 we will discuss here. Mentally calculation like some problems are there. So you divide and write the answer. 3,000 divided by 100 second. 6,000 divided by 300 C. Or third question 8,000 divided by 200. So you will do alone. Then from the textbook, fill in the blanks. Same type. 1,600 divided by 10. You find the answer. 1,520 divided by 10. You know how to divide by 10. 9,000 divided by 10. Then divide mentally. First question we will do here. 4,000 divided by 20. Second, 2,800 divided by 70. And C, 5,600 by 80 divided by 80 and 2,700 divided by 90 and 2,130 divided by 30. Then third question divide. 4,000 divided by 200. That like one problem we are doing here. And second, 8,000 divided by 400 and C, 5,000 divided by 500. So, we will do these problems in your notebook and workbook. Okay. Today we are discussing how to divide by multiples of 10. First we cancel the zeros and divide it. Okay. After cancelling the zero, we will get divided by one digit number. You already studied how to divide by one digit numbers. Okay, then we will do some problems also here. If you have any doubt, you just contact me. Thank you.